Recording this video to explain the steps of how to insert an external reference into AutoCAD. You'll just need to go to your Insert tab at the top, go to your Reference panel, select the Attach icon, and then a dialog, Select Reference File dialog will appear. So you just need to go to the location where your JPEG is saved or your sketch. Select the JPEG, say Open, and then you will see an attached image dialog or a window, and then with a few headings. So you've got things like preview, path type, insertion point, scale and rotation. So for your insertion point, just check the specify on screen. Scale, check the specify on screen, and then on the rotation you can just insert, leave the box unchecked and just insert the angle 0. Say OK. And then the insertion point you'll then specify on screen. So just click a starting point where you'd like your image to be inserted. Then the next step is to insert your scale factor. It will be the size of the JPEG file itself and not necessarily the scale of the plan. So you can just put in about 10,000 just so that the JPEG is not too small. You can also just click on the JPEG and use the grips, the blue grips, to just enlarge it a little bit more. Then the next step will be to scale the plan so that it's actually according to the scale of the base plan itself. We've got the outline on the building on the sketch, so those will be our known distances and references that we can use to scale according to the base plan. And so you select your JPEG. You can either create a cross window or a selection window, or just click on the outline frame, and then you're gonna just type align. Press enter, and then follow the prompt in your command bar. So it says specify first source point. So the source is the JPEG file, and then it says specify first destination point. So the destination point will be the base plan, and you obviously want to use the exact same points. So whatever point that you've selected on the source file, you'll have to select that very same point on your destination file. So you just click the very same corner, and then it says specify the second source point. So you can just pick another point. So I'm going to click the bottom right corner on the source point, and then similarly the second destination point, and you must use that very same corner on your base plan. And then it says specify a third source point or continue. You can just press enter to continue, and then it asks you, do you want to align scale objects based on alignment points? And you're going to say yes. So you either click on yes or you type in yes on your keyboard, say enter. Then you will see your JPEG will be shifted according to the two reference points that you've selected, and it will be aligned with your JPEG with your base plan. So you just select your JPEG file, and then go to right click and go to draw order and send to back, and you will see that it is scaled according to the base plan. To edit the transparency, you just click on the JPEG. You will see there's an image tab that appears on your ribbon, and you go to the adjustment bar where it says fade, and just adjust the opacity or the transparency so that you can still, so that your JPEG doesn't interfere with your lines, the appearance of your lines, but don't make it too light. You still want to be able to see the plan in the background, so that it will be easy to trace the lines accordingly. And yeah, and that's how you insert an external reference in this instance, an image into AutoCAD. Cheers.